Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Adriana and I do lifestyle, DIYs, and reviews, and today we are finally going to be doing a review. It's been a while since I've done one, and before we do get started, I did just want to say that I look good. Oh my goodness. Let me just tell you how the Lord works in mysterious ways. I had been telling my friends that I really needed, like, I was just considering getting into waxing because shaving is just really annoying, you know. I actually did end up buying one, and it sucked. And literally that day that I was like, oh, this waxing thing sucks, I'm just gonna go back to shaving, I got an email from Tress Wellness and they wanted to send me this wax kit, which I will be reviewing today. So I'm going to show you everything that's in it. We're gonna talk a little bit about it. I'm going to do a live demo of me waxing my legs. Actually, this is what I really need to say. This is a no judgment zone. What we're not going to do is judge Adriana on her quarantine legs, okay? I've been in hibernation this entire time. I know they look a little rough, but that's the only way that you'll know if this really works or not. Like I said, this is the box. It says here everything that you'd need for waxing. It's upside down, but so I'm gonna show you what's in here, do a little kind of unboxing haul situation. Yeah. Okay, so kind of already started to open it up, but we're just gonna open it up a little bit more, see what's inside. I could already see that it smells good. Ooh, they packaged it nicely, like filled to the brim. This is exactly how packages should be. No wasting space, no taking up boxes for no reason, just to, you know, deliver whatever. So there's a peppermint wax, tea tree, lemon, lavender, eucalyptus. Ooh, they truly packed everything to the brim. Good for them. The wax warmer itself, inside included some gloves, some spray nozzles, popsicle sticks for spreading the wax, this after wax spray, of course, pre-wax spray. Wow, this is really cute packaging. I might dress like it's 1960s, but I wax like a modern woman. I know that's right, sis. I don't know how flattering this is, but we're gonna go to the bathroom and yeah, get the first impressions of this wax kit. The instructions were pretty clear, but I'm not sure what this one's about. Here's just another angle of my legs so you can totally see how hairy I was. First, I used the pre-wax spray and let it dry. As you can see, I do have strawberry legs, but that's just a matter of exfoliating and using some sort of scrub, and that'll go away. You do have to move a little bit fast, and towards the end of this clip, I will be showing a proper way to spread the wax on your leg. Ooh. That is good. Ay, ay, ay. Oh my god, it's really getting rid of my hairs. Ooh, that wasn't ready. Oopsie. Some did come out. This one's gonna feel a little bit painful. Aye. As you can see, after each wax strip that I remove, I put my hand on the area, and that's just to alleviate a little bit of the pain. That's how I've seen in other YouTube videos. Because I'm waxing my freaking leg, dude. Oh my gosh. I am a monster. I do not deserve rights. So like I said, this is the proper way to apply wax. What you do is make sure you've got a good amount on the stick, press it down into your leg, and as you pull it down, that's the direction that your hairs are in, and you make sure that you leave enough wax at the bottom to make a lip for you to grab onto before you rip it off your leg. Last but not least, I use the After Wax spray, which is scented oil. It smells really nice and it made my legs feel super smooth, and it also removed any remnants of wax that I still had on my leg. So obviously, as you could see, first impressions are, hopefully you have the same impression that I have, in the sense that it's amazing. It comes with everything. As you can see, I didn't even use the gloves. I didn't use that little ring. I learned that the ring is actually supposed to be like a heat protectant that you put around the bowl inside the melting pot, whatever. I live on the edge, so I didn't use that. I will say that my legs feel absolutely amazing. I feel what I imagine Jennifer Lopez feels like in Moroccan sheets. Wait, let me show y'all my legs. Do y'all see this leg? Smooth. Do you hear this? It sounds a little ashy, but it's not, I promise. So moisturized. Okay, like I said, do not judge my hibernation legs, but I really wanted to be able to see what was happening, and y'all saw the hairs. Y'all saw the hairs. It really did pluck them. I will say I had a few left over, but those were really short. I did end up staying in there for quite some time actually waxing my legs, because I was so shocked at how good it worked. I'm not trying to gas because, you know, this got sent to me, I will always be honest. I will always be honest with whatever review I do, but this is the truth. First of all, the wax smells good. Hold on. What does it smell like? It smells like Orbit Sweet Mint. Yes, that's what it smells like. The entire box, I think just all of the scents kind of blending together when you open it, it smells like Orbit Sweet Mint gum. And that's my favorite, so I know what I'm talking about. As I mentioned, I had purchased previously another wax kit. Literally used it once, hated it. The wax would harden, it would crack, it wouldn't fully come off my leg. So this one, it comes off. Of course, there are some pieces, if you don't know how, like after you do it a few more times, you kind of learn how you're supposed to put the wax on your leg or whatever body part that you're waxing, but it snatched every single hair. Rarely did it leave any patches of hair on my leg, okay? I'm gonna do my mustache tonight. Y'all, in this next video, I'm about to look like a naked mole rat because that's how I feel, truly. Another question that I had is it painful? I'm not gonna say it was painful, but I'm also not going to say it was painless, if that makes sense. After the first few, it kind of catches you off guard. Like obviously you're ripping hair from your body. After a while, it wasn't that bad. So here's the thing. I've used wax strips in the past. I've used other waxing kits. This one, you don't even feel like you have follicles anymore. Like when I rubbed on my leg after, of course, I used the after waxing spray, which is honestly just like an oil. It's 8 p.m. Why is there a helicopter outside? Right, so even after you wax, you straight up feel like you don't have any follicles left, like a newborn baby. So I'm looking at the Amazon page to see what other questions people have asked, just to kind of, you know, get the juices rolling in my head. Somebody said, will this work on your head? Why would you want to do that? I truly do recommend this. I'm going to wax my knuckles, my eyebrows. I mean, I don't really have eyebrows, but I'm gonna wax my eyebrows, my mustache, my armpit. I'm gonna be aerodynamic. Ooh, the way I'll be flying to work, oh goodness. It's not too hot. It honestly is really nice and soothing. I felt like I was at a spa. I'm sure getting harder to reach areas like the back of your thigh would be a little bit difficult, but patience is key. And I really do like that this brand allows you to replenish anything that you want here. If you wanted more of the spray, if you wanted more beads, obviously there's an assortment of beads. I didn't even get to finish both of my legs. And just the leg part, but I only used, as you can see, I didn't use that much. So I used about half, I think I used like half a bag total for my leg. And I did start on my other leg as well a little bit. Yeah, if you want, I feel like this was kind of all over the place and I was kind of just rambling. So sorry about that. You know when something's so good you just don't know what to say? 10 out of 10. I truly do give this a 10 out of 10. Ladies, summer is approaching. if you want to look like a naked mole rat like I'm about to. And gentlemen, she's, he's, they's, hey, whoever. So with that being said, I will be leaving a code here and there will be a link in the description so you could get this kit and get some cash off of it, of course, because hand on heart, I recommend this. And I do want to thank Tress Wellness for sponsoring this video and reaching out to me. And I also want to thank them for having my legs looking snatched. And you know, I've got a little bit of strawberry legs, but just exfoliate. That'll be gone. That'll be gone. Don't worry about that. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Turn on the notification bell, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.